You sure I did?
Something to try and make you feel at home.
That's where we are going.
What does this mean? Looks like you actually part really cracked me up. This one. Oh, it's your joke. What the heck? Someone really actually got your joke?
Yeah, man. Finally starting to get there, man. Woo.
Train ride ever. Yeah, so much fun.
Yeah. Headed to KL Central. Woo. First time here, right?
Yeah, it is. It's my first time riding the, what do you call it, LRT also.
Oh, after
I got
the
my fancy token. Yeah.
It's blue in color.
Guys think I should do a PR here?
No.
Here we have Mr. Jerry Boy. He's like super excited for that. Right, so right there, see?
It's coffee flavored, man.
What? So yeah, he wants to be one of the cool kids to try out the coffee pencil.
It's so good. No,
I don't know what's so great about this, but it basically tastes like cinnamon sugar with coffee.
Yeah.
You know, more or less. Mine's better. Oh my god, I'm rich!
So today, there's nothing much going on. We're just gonna go around KL. We're gonna show you guys the streets of KL. Oh, not the streets, the places of KL. Yeah. This is like my, what do you call it? My second home. Used to be my second home. Yeah, what are we doing in Bukit Bintang again?
I have no idea, man. We're just mindlessly walking around town.
Becoming travelers, eh?
We are like nomads.
Bring me a dream. Bring me a dream. Bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen.
Oh, that's a freaking game room inside, man. What's this? What's this for? Geek Arena. What?
Make him the cutest that I've ever seen.
Now in Pavilion. Probably gonna be here until 9.
You checked the mirror, locked the door. You took the stairs downstairs from the 3rd floor. You thought about her as you walked. Well, did the sky open
shots. But so scary, man. My drone almost felt like it feels like my drone got captured by one of the crows and stuff. So crazy lah. So like it gave me a mini heart attack. But I managed to finish off 2 of the batteries. But hopefully I have some footage that I can use. Hopefully I use some of them in the video. Yeah. Whoa. So we're here at Keith's hotel room, and it's so much better and so much bigger and juicier in our hotel. So yeah, we have a pretty nice view, a lot of stuff to do. Damn, man. I think I'm gonna give you guys a hotel room tour.
Set the tempo, set the pace. From the top, from the start, never slightly late.
Did you remove the mattress to the living room?
Just that afternoon we talked. Getting out, stepping out, letting out. Something got caught. What about the time I heard you say?
Pretty decent view, pretty big bedroom. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick time lapse over here.
It surrounds me, drowns me in it. If I could change it all, I would. If only I could.
Let's go. We're off to dinner right now. I have no idea what the place is. Where is the place at? But let's just go. We'll follow Keith. Yes, Keith, bring us to dinner.
Aye aye, Captain.
I can hear you.
What did you say?
Drop the records at the scene. Writing numbers on our hands, had batteries. Called the cops, called the car. Call a friend, call a relative, still in the dark. Took the bridge in seconds flat. Call ahead to check it.
So we just finished our lunch and our dinner, and now heading over to lot 10. Where we were just now in the afternoon.是咩？
加班扎这样。
啊，这个我不知道。
那个阿面达有 wish
and pattern 车。
是咩？
I wish for a wish.
是咩？
wish
是咩？
不是。
是咩？
哎呀，是啦是啦。
你开心就好了 ，Jerry， 你开心就好了。
OK，还好。
有担当。
I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I don't know what else to say anymore. I'll talk to you guys when I got home. And when I get home, it's not really safe to shoot at this hour. It's like around 12 already, and then the streets are empty. Like I don't know, I'm just scared lah. Yeah, we'll talk to you guys later.
Hello again, sugar. Hello again, oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise like ocean. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you know.
Yo.
What's up, guys? So basically today we just went around KL. I don't know, I don't feel safe lah. I don't feel safe actually like going around big ass camera. Yeah, so today wasn't planned. Everywhere we go, it wasn't planned at all. Yeah, it's like a first time experience for me to vlog around KL. Woohoo! Oh yeah, so there's a lot of things to shoot around, but then it's like it doesn't feel. I don't feel safe lah whenever I take out a camera, like swing it all around, because like any moment, like in any time, like people can just grab away my camera and then boom, my camera's gone. And there's no content, and this video wouldn't exist. You know, those kind of feelings lah feel so different than pitching. I don't know if this is just me or is it like it happens to everyone, but yeah. I just want to share my feelings, how like however I felt when I'm vlogging around like KL, when I'm shooting some stuff, shooting some B-rolls. But yeah, it was fun lah. It was fun like going around, and then got a lot of cool shots. And then especially the drone one, it's like there's a few times where my drone actually like lost signal and lost contact, and I actually thought that like the bird actually caught the drone, or like my drone's like they're gone. And I don't know, it just feels so insecure when I fly the drone, but hopefully the footage looks amazing. Oh, so a little bit of how I felt for filmmakers, for videographers to shoot around KL. It's like how do they really feel when they are in the field, when they are like on the streets and whatsoever. So this is just one out of many like videographers, YouTubers out there in KL. So I won't be surprised if some of them actually feel the same way as I do. So yeah, pretty exciting day today, and hopefully you like this. Hopefully you like this episode. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Life could be a dream.